My country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Messi fans don't rain insults on Angel and her mama. So since yesterday night, person never fit sleep because na fight between mercenaries and archangels. This morning, early hours of this morning, Messi go unfollow Angel, na so Angel go unfollow her back. So mercenaries dey host Twitter space yesterday night wey be say dey just dey insult Angel and her mama. Dey insult the woman. Dey first hold Twitter space on top Angel head. Wey be say dey insult her, say Angel betray Messi, Angel do one thing, dey slut shame the girl. If only as in and na women dey do all these things o. You no get word wey dem no tell dat girl. If na me be dat girl, me I go go cry. So dat thing fit even make person kill himself. The kind insult wey dey give dat girl.
With her bracing, she should go and do veneers. It's not too much. 10K dolls. She should do veneers. She need it. Even the veneers, they need to file her teeth well because you know that place, the original teeth is protruding up. So even the veneers, they need to use shovel and seal it. They need to sandpaper it, file it. They need that nail filer. They used to file her teeth so that the thing can bend well before they even do the veneers for her. She had the mouth to be telling you, you got fake teeth, you got fake teeth. Bitch, you can't afford it. If you can afford, you need it. If there's anybody that needs veneers, it's you because your teeth is bad. Your teeth is bad. To give Soma blowjob. So if you check Soma prick, now everywhere don't scratch. Everywhere don't scratch. Angel big teeth. And they get with big teeth giving you blowjob before I say, man, you go wound. If they check Soma prick, wound, bruises everywhere. Everywhere they bleed. Soma go there. If Angel say, baby, let me give you. Soma say, no, I'm not in the mood.
I hope say the thing no go. Also YouTube no go give me strike for the kind insult wey dey insult dat girl for that video. So when they come dey insult her, so Angel mama come talk say no, these people no fit dey insult my daughter, make I keep quiet. So she come go talk put, as in she dey try to talk say these people no fit dey insult my daughter like that. Say why you people slut shaming my daughter? You say at her age, as in she Angel mama na 30, she say at Messi age, say she don born, her pikin don grow, say Messi dey the jealous 23 years old, those type of thing. Na so mercenaries come leave Angel wey dey dey insult before, come face the mama.
Do you have age? Your pikin go fuck. Messi na your age mate, abi? But Messi, see what Messi has. What do you have since Messi is your age mate? You're not ashamed of yourself. What do you have? You are depending on Angel to come and give you money. For her to go and do a shower and come and give you. But Messi is your age mate. Messi is your age mate. Messi has 3 businesses. What do you have, Mama Angel? What do you have to your name? That's the same thing you did with Maria. Everybody's your age mates. Old Kumbis. Now, person tell you, may you fuck at 14 years, stay born picking. Idiot. Everybody's your age mates. Every small thing. Angel.
Now, Messi no get mama.
For me and their age mates. You should be ashamed as a mother.
Mad woman.
You raised Angel like that. You should be ashamed.
Woman.
A 23-year-old girl that has no decency.
Now we send
her parents are watching. She will
like that. Is that a role model?
In 2021, she will go naked. You failed as a mother, Angel. Angel, Mama Angel. You failed as a mother. If nobody will tell you, I will tell you, you failed. You are a failure. Your child will have no fear. At least even we where we don't even grow, say, when we not even depend on our parents anymore, say. You go realistic, at least even if you know your parents are not feeding you, you will give them small respect.
Lie.
My parents are watching, my father is watching. At least let me even respect myself.
May they still record this one, go give her. Mama, you are.
But
you are very,
your
very
faith
mad.
She go there open to everywhere, and you say your daughter's own. You say Messi is your mate. Messi is your age. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
You know, see the drugs.
Messi is so much as a madam. What have you achieved apart from being Angel's mother?
Now
what have you achieved?
You no get anywhere they no call that woman. You no get anywhere they no call that woman. I thought they ask myself, say, it make any sense for people to go this far because of a show? Other countries don't they do reality TV show? Even in South Africa here, where we see be our neighbor, they do a reality TV show. We never see this type of anger before. Anything we just enter Nigeria like this, we go turn them into fight. go turn am into something else. Why can't we watch reality TV show and have sense? Must everything for dis country be starship with Big Brother? Who swear for us like dis? Dis pipu wey be say dey insult all dis things sef, some pipu for Twitter come dey even talk say the woman, the host wey host dat space dey insult Angel and her mama, say dem don drive her comot for her husband house. Imagine dat type of thing, person come online dey disgrace his family, disgrace his children, dey talk for something wey be say no get head. Me, my own for inside be say the reason why Mercy fit get the mind take throway Benita and Angel just like dat upon wetin towards wetin her fans and fraud tell her about dem. I just believe to say e no make sense to me. One, because I no see wetin Benita and Angel really do Mercy wey be say go make her fling dem throway like dat. Because one, Mercy, you no dey loyal to dis pipu. Even for her interview, she talk am say she betray Benita because of Angel. She talk am. So wetin be the problem wey be say happen, wey be say be the main thing? Just because Angel tell Benita say see oo, no be me na cause the problem, no be me talk say make dem no pardon Adekunle, na Mercy talk am oo. Because Angel expose Mercy, the lies wey Mercy lie, na im be the bad thing wey be say she do. Make we dey I no understand wetin be the thing, wetin dey so deep wey Angel do Mercy for mercenaries to insult her like dat? Wetin be the thing? Wetin be the because I watch the show, I no see the necessary thing wey reach all dis type of anger and all dis type of hatred on top something wey be say no get head, wey another person don win the money. Dis money wey Mercy no win so, I no sure say she go get over am anytime soon, because with the way she dey overreact online. Imagine I dey even hear say she dey for inside dat space because I dey see her name for there, Mercy Eke, wey be say dey tick, and na exactly the same account wey be say she get for Twitter. But me, I no wan believe say na her, because you know say now everybody dey use different name. They dey use celebrity name and they go still buy ticket on top. So I don't. But Mercy, I dey see Mercy Eke for inside that space where they insult Angel and her mama, which is not good. She not supposed to bring herself to that level to follow those old women. They misbehave like that. I just hope say she come to her senses and realize all these things is just ordinary show. And in a game of 120 million, anything can happen. You know me, just say they hate you. My own also be say make Angel not respond, because all of us know say Angel not get respect before. And once that girl they talk to person, they care whether the person has seen or not. So I just hope say she just ignore these vile words where we say they talk about her. The thing fit even make person, I don't know, but may God help them and their friendship. The reason why we say Mercy unfollow Benita and Angel, she not follow Erica now, because she does say Benita and Angel they not get money like that. They not rich. But Erica now, from all the Big Brother Nigeria disqualified housemates so far, apart from Beauty, I think, I don't know whether she even get money past Beauty, because Erica get that girl dey fit rich. She get money. You know how many properties she get for Ikate for year? She get money. So I just believe to say now that all those things now Mercy they look. Mercy want to make people they worship her like God, and it's not going to. She want to make her friends worship her like God, and it can't work. It can't work. She know the people every day she do that thing with. She can't try to tell Erica. She never go unfollow Erica now. Erica will fling and away. So carry her full chest, even deposit money for CC, make CC win the show. She no hate that one, no, because you know what he go gain from that one. Now say John, so life just be get money, you go see people go dance to your tune. Well, take care now, bye.